Hi guys, this is your besh and welcome to my channel. Our video for today is going to be very exciting for me because this is the first free product I got for review. And this is the NIKS Skin Rejuvenating Set. So, eto siya. And I'll also insert like a close-up picture of the products inside. And then, this one is the NYX Skin Miracle Mousse. Yan, this one. Yan. NYX Skin Miracle Mousse with tomato and centella extract. Yan. So, ano ba yung i-discuss natin ngayon? Okay, so in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin mga besh is yung packaging, yung pricing, yung benefit and claim nitong mga product na to, how to use, expectation, and of course, yung mga usually na tinatanong ng mga tao dun sa paggamit nitong rejuvenating set. Okay? And so, let's start. This is not a product review yet. This is a video I made to get to know the product together because just because it was sent to me doesn't mean that isasabak ko kagad yung mukha ko. Although maraming pinagdadaanan ng mukha natin ngayon mga besh, still, I try to do my research. I try to ask more questions, ganyan. And I want to thank NIKS. Hindi siya yung may-ari nung skincare line na to. It's just that so happen na yung name niya is NIKS. So, she's one of the distributor of this NIKS Skin. And she sent me the products to test. So, yun. So, this set kasi is a rejuvenating set. So, ibig sabihin, may mga pagpipil na magaganap. So, yun. So, medyo skeptical ako doon kasi hindi ko pa na-try talaga ever gumamit ng rejuvenating set. Okay? Yung tipong talagang may pagpipiling na nagaganap. I tried a couple of skincare product na merong mga whitening, ganyan, para dun sa mga acne spots. And this is like a miracle scent to me because parang feeling ko meant to be kami nitong product na to kasi maraming pinagdadaanan yung skin ko ngayon. And what we are going to do today is to get to know the product first. Okay, on the next video, ang gagawin ko is I'm going to test the product already. So, I actually asked NIKS who sent me the products to give me time to really use the product and see it for myself if it works. Okay, so first mga besh is the packaging. So, very compact siya, very straight to the point. Makikita mo kung ano yung kaagad yung laman. First is this NYX Skin na Power Soap. It says here that this Power Soap is able to get rid of dead skin cells in order to leave behind a younger, brighter, even, and fresher skin tone. Okay, so this soap is yung number 1 na gagamitin. If you will see, meron dito nakalagay na number 1. So, ibig sabihin, siya yung first na gagamitin natin. Okay, so direction of use is used daily as cleaning soap for face and body. Ayan. So, kung merong irritation, please discontinue using. Okay, pero itatakal din natin kung ano yung mga expectation when you're using this set. Okay, so first this one and then the toner. So, yung rejuvenating toner na 50 ml. And yung kanyang packaging is very simple. So, marami kasi sa atin is napapabili dahil sa packaging. Pero, in my case, I would rather have a simple packaging and have products inside that really works. So, ayan, yung toner. So, ito siya, number 2. Meron siyang nakalagay dito, number 2. And then, number 3, if you're going to use it in the morning, or daytime, so ang gagamitin natin is tong NYX Skin na Sun Defense. Ito, this one. So, meron din siyang number dito, which is number 3. Yan. So, kung night naman, of course, you're going to use the soap, the toner, and then, instead of sun defense, ang gagamitin nyo is yung peel cream. This one. Ayan. So, it says here that this night cream works over time to hydrate and refresh the skin for a smooth and luminous complexion. Yan. So, ayan. Ito yung peel cream. So, ito, in a week time, usually, magkakaroon ng peeling doon sa inyong skin. So, usually, yung mga rejuvenating set, yon nagkakaroon siya ng peeling talaga. Okay, so yung price niya is, for this set, cost 550 pesos. How long will it last? Usually, depende sa paggamit nyo. Para makita nyo yung effect noong rejuvenating set, you should be using it for 30 days. Ngayon, I'm not sure if this set will last 30 days. Depende kasi yun talaga sa paggamit nyo eh. Pero, during my research, it says there na you can use it for 20 days. So, siguro naman kung nag-work sa inyo, then you just buy another set, right? Or, depende rin sa paggamit niyo. Kasi, I believe you don't need to put much of this. So, a little goes a long way. So, yan. This set is 550 pesos. So, if you want to try this with me, and also if you want to be a reseller, I will put the links down into the description box para malaman nyo kung saan kayo pwedeng bumili. At if you want to resell this, then kung kanino kayo mag-i-inquire. Ayan. So, this one is the NIKS Miracle Mousse. Actually, ito, at saka ito, yung product nila are both, parang marami ako narinig ng mga magagandang reviews on both products, both on the set and also on this one. So, if you don't want peeling, pwedeng ito yung gamitin ninyo. This NIKS na Miracle Mousse. But if you want to use both, hindi nyo pwedeng pagsabayin, okay? So, you might want to try this first. Use it for 30 days. Ngayon, pagtapos nyo mag-peeling and all that, let your skin rest for 1 month. And then you use this. Now, if hindi pa kayo satisfied doon sa result nito, you can start using it again after 30 days. So, you have to make your skin rest for 30 days, okay? Tapos, alright, so ano ba yung benefit? Okay, so ano ba yung rejuvenating set? A rejuvenating set is an anti-aging treatment with a host of benefit that includes exfoliation. It also builds collagen, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. So, of course, hindi na tayo bumabata, no? Mas maganda na we are doing this para mag-rejuvenate and mag-refresh yung ating skin. And then, it also boosts radiance, shrinks the pore size. Kailangan ko yan. Yung mga pores ko is nagsusumigaw sila, mga besh. And diminish dark spots, clears the complexion, and so on and so forth. So, ngayon, ang kailangan ko dito is yung regarding sa pores. I also have like a couple of fine lines here. And I will bring you a closer look. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, nagkaroon kasi ako ng hormonal imbalance acne. So, yung mga ganito ko, hindi siya masyadong kita pero may kita nyo dito, diba? Ang daming dark spots dyan. And also, ipapakita ko yung close-up nung kalagayan ng aking face, okay? So, ngayon, what I will be doing is, hindi ko pa siya inumpisahan just because yung breakout ko is nag-heal pa. So, I would suggest na kung meron kayong mga active na pimples, do not use the product yet. Let all the acne heals, or kapag acne scar na siya, then that's the time na mas magandang gamitin nyo yung set na to. I will also insert on how I'm going to use the products. So, like for example, how I use the soap, the toner, and also the creams. So, yung soap, mga besh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it like in 3. Kasi hindi ko siya gagamitin sa body. Because more of my problematic areas are in my face. And also, this one, the Miracle Mousse, what I'll be doing is I'll be using it on my neck. Although hindi masyadong makita, pero I want to brighten this part kasi I am acidic and mahilig ako sa accessories. So, feeling ko nag-iitim yung leeg ko dahil dun sa mga accessories na sinusot ko, even though it's silver. So, yon, kahit na real silver. So, this one I'm going to use on my neck, and it says here na in 7 days makikita nyo na yung result. And this one I'll be using on my face. Medyo kinakabahan ako dun sa peeling part, but I'll be inserting a picture here on what to expect when you're going to use this product. And nga pala mga besh, this one, they are very strict on the pricing. So, ang SRP niya is 550 pesos for the set. Okay, so I believe that's a steal already. Because, apat na products na siya doon sa in a pack for just 550 pesos. Okay, usually kasi yung effect noong rejuvenating set is depende dun sa skin mo. There will be time na in 1 week magkakaroon ka ng peeling, but then there will also be time na baka after 2 weeks pa tsaka ka mag-peel. So, depende talaga yan dun sa skin type mo. Okay, and ano ba yung mga expectation or yung process na pagdadaanan mo when you use this rejuvenating set? Number 1 is redness, itching, or stinging. So, mararamdaman nyo yun. Kapag naramdaman nyo yun, hindi ibig sabihin na sobrang allergic kayo. It's just that yun din yung effect noong set kapag ginamit mo siya. So, I would suggest to do a patch test dito sa may leeg or sa wrist nyo, or I'll be inserting dito kung saan yung mga part ng katawan na pwede kayong mag-patch test. Okay? Ngayon, kung medyo itchy siya, huwag nyo siyang kakamutin, besh. What I would suggest is, and also what NIKS can suggest is, to do the ice method. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng ice pack or fan, tapat niyo yung mukha niyo sa fan, ganyan. I think mas maganda na gawin yon kapag ginagamit niyo yung toner. So, mas maganda na after cleansing yung skin mo, after you use the soap, let it rest for 30 minutes before you apply the toner and then the cream. Okay, so if it's morning, you apply the sunblock. If it's night, you apply the peel cream. Ngayon, you can also use petroleum jelly kung medyo itchy siya. Ngayon, there will be redness and swelling. So, yan, mararamdaman nyo yan. And also, treated areas take about 7 to 14 days to heal. Pero yung redness niya, usually, nagte-take up to 20 days. Okay, so yung peeling naman is usually kung first time mo and dry yung skin mo, mas mabilis magpipeel yung or mas mabilis mag-work yung rejuvenating set dun sa mukha mo and magpipeel siya. So, if you peel too much, avoid using the toner for 2 days or use it every other day. Okay? So, ngayon, medyo, kasi syempre wag nyong pipilitin na i-peel yung mukha ninyo, ha? Halaan nyo lang siya na mag-peel. Okay? Okay, so because the first layer ng skin nyo is drying, kaya medyo stingy siya. And, so, this part, normal lang yon. This is part of the process. And also, kapag nagkaroon ka ng breakout, actually, dun ako kinakabahan. Kasi kakatapos lang ng breakout ko, diba? So, pinapagaling ko siya. Tapos, pag ginamit ko tong rejuvenating set, mag-breakout ulit ako. Pero, besh, ganun talaga. Kailangan mo mag-sacrifice. However, maganda nga na gawin ko siya ngayon because hindi pa kami pumapasok sa office. So, we work from home. So, okay lang na mag-peel siya. 2 to 3 weeks na hindi ako lumabas or mag-peel siya, okay lang yon. And besides, nagsusuot naman tayo ng mask. So, actually, etong breakout ko na to, hindi ako usually nag-makeup inside the house and also when filming. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ibang mga videos ko, wala talaga akong ka-makeup lang. Because I'm trying to cure my pimples. So, ginagamot ko siya. And ngayon, kakagaling lang niya. And mag-breakout ako. Sana hindi masyadong sobra yung magiging breakout ko. But then, ganun talaga yung magpapakahirap ka muna sa umpisa. And then after that, if you have baby smooth skin, why not? Diba? Yung mga tomato glass skin na sinasabi nila. So, yan. Ngayon, there are also a lot of mga question usually na tinatanong sa kanila. Like, for example, is this safe for pregnant? So, ang sabi nila is, mas maganda na i-prioritize natin yung health ng ating baby. So, let's not use this. Maybe you can use it afterwards. Or if you're lactating, hindi rin siya advisable. Siguro kapag after that na, yun, siguro pwede na. Is it safe to use with other products? I think baka kasi magkaroon ng chemical reaction, they said. So, mas maganda na if you have, I believe all of us have their own skincare routine. So, kung gagamit kayo nito, you have to stop all those and just use this. Except siguro for yung sunblock. If you feel na you need more sunblock, then do so. Pero, as much as possible, you just use this rejuvenating set while you're at it. Okay, so is it safe for sensitive skin? So, I think na-mention ko na earlier to do the patch test first. So, better be safe than sorry. So, kung nag-okay naman during the patch test, then I believe it's safe to use naman. So, ayun, how long will this set last? Depende sa paggamit ninyo. But you have to use it for 30 days. So, kung nakikita nyo naman yung result and naubos nyo na siya, then at least, di ba, alam nyo na it's working. Then, it's safe to buy another set and use it for 30 days. So, yun mga besh. And also, siguro ito okay to na maintenance if pagkatapos nitong gamitin, konti lang naman yung problema yun sa skin. After this one, okay na kayo dun sa result and gusto nyo lang i-maintain, then maybe you can use this. Yun. So, yun lang mga besh. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Yung next video is going to be the review. And makita nyo naman yung eksena ng skin ko. So, siguro naman kung talagang effective siya, sobrang makikita nyo dun sa skin ko. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and also ring the notification bell para naman ma-notify kayo every time na may bago tayong video. So, yun lang mga besh. Magmaganda lang na ayon sa bulsa. 550 lang to mga besh. Kayang-kaya sa bulsa. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!